Good afternoon, welcome to Get to Know Animals Behind the Scenes. So today we're going to be doing some of our escape drills. We need to do a minimum of 4 a year, and 2 of those have to be on category 1 animals. Now, we've been lucky enough to rehome some amazing Burmese pythons over the years, which are category 1 animals. Really important that we get this right, as it's your safety and the animal's safety that are paramount to us here at Get to Know Animals. While the video might look fun, and it was fun, okay, we still need to make sure we get this right, so enjoy.
Today is we're going to hide this vicious snake somewhere for the staff to find, and then they've got to act as though it has managed to get out of the one that's enclosure. Very, very unlikely to happen in real life, but we have to plan for it and do these tests regularly.
Oh my god, the escaped Burmese python.
There you go. Right, let's see how they do with that one.
Right, so I'm just about to discover that one of our Burmese python cages has been left open and that we have an escaped category 1 animal. Okay guys, we have a code red. One of the Burmese python cages has been left open. Before we go any further, I've not identified where the snake is currently. Please, Verity, can you confirm your current location?
I'm in the gift shop at the moment. Shall I start guiding customers out through this way?
Yes please, and then when you've done that, close the door and collect the snake capturing equipment please. Kylie, where are you currently?
Reception at the moment.
When you can, please come to the invertebrate handling section. Scott, if you could come as well, please, and Kylie, if you can come too, please.
Thank you very much. Okay,
Get the
okay.
back end of the worm, considering it's so large. He gets the head.
Oh, at the back end because he's very heavy.
Into the bag. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Can we do this?
Oh.
Okay, well, my thing. In you go.
There we go.
Okay.
Right, okay, let's get him into the... Let's get the...
How did he get out? Door was open.
The door was left open, so we're going to take him into the isolation area for me, please.
Isolation.
Okay, into the ISO room for now. I want to give him a quick check over, and then we'll start getting customers back.
Where's head? I've got head.
You've got the head. Okay.
Got out again.
I've got the head. It's all right. One moment.
I'll help you hold the body still.
Let me just have a quick check that he's okay.
Check the mouth.
Can you not turn his head towards the
Can I
face?
check his mouth?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, brilliant. Let's get him back in. Very heavy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Does anyone know where his lock is?
Okay, coming through. Coming through. Okay. Should we get him down?
I'll feel for head again.
Got the body.
Hold up. Confirming on head. Yep, got it. Ta-da. Got your friend. Good go. Right, everyone clear?
Everyone clear.
Door shut, unlocked, please, this time.
Snake contained.
Snake contained!